Hey guys, it's Miss Mirimac and I'm back with another video. I know I look a little rough right now. I just washed my hair and I decided to give a tutorial of how I curl my hair with perm rods. So a few things have changed about my hair, the color. Like, my hair's been like 4 different colors for the whole of 2019. This is the last color. I'm trying to let it fade out. I just washed my hair and I'm gonna oil it. Yes, I'm in my living room and not in the bathroom because this is like a better setting filming. So this is my hair. The last color I did, it's coming out too. Okay, so the last color I did was, I think it was Cajun Spice, and I did a ginger, but I did like a block of ginger hair and the rest was a different color. But I'm trying to let the color fade out because I want to dye my hair a different color for my birthday. I'm trying to stray away from dyeing my hair so much. So I'm gonna do one color. I was just trying to see if I wanted to do black or if I should do red. Or maybe just, I'm not gonna just go blonde. I'll do that later on. Another thing that changed is that I cut some of my hair because I had some weak spots, and instead of like trying to restore it, I was like, let me just take this as a life lesson. Stop trying to fix things that are broken and let them go. So like right here, I cut 5 inches off of this lock. Like a few of them are like that, and then I cut like the tips off of some, but you can't tell. So anyway, first I'm gonna oil my scalp, and what I use is Royal Keepers oil. This one is lavender. I'm trying that one out. I really like their stuff. The first one I used was lemongrass. I tried to do a little review on that, but I deleted the video. So yeah, I have some of that in here with some oil that I got from the doctor because I have SD, dermatitis in my scalp, feel me? So I'll be getting little flakes. So yeah, I'm just gonna oil my scalp. I'll wash my hair with lavender Dr. Bronner soap. Just trying to keep a little theme of scent going, you know? Can't be having all these different scents in your head. So yeah, I just basically do this. And when I tell you, like, when I first started using the Royal Keepers, I didn't get it for hair growth because my hair grows very fine by itself. I just wanted to have something for my scalp to fix my problem, but that kind of didn't work, so I had to still go to the doctor. But it did make my hair grow. Within like 2 weeks, my hair was like an inch longer, which I thought was crazy. So I'd recommend it. Okay. Dang, this color really came out. It's my first time looking at my hair since I washed it. And then I'm just gonna take some from the, that doesn't have the oil in it. The medicine, I should say. I'm just gonna put on my hair. It's not a heavy oil, it's very light, so it doesn't like make my hair feel heavy. Let's see how long my hair is. I'm sitting in the couch. It's very hard for me to show my actual length of my hair or whatever. I also have a mirror like to the left of me, so you won't see me looking in the mirror because I can't do my hair just out of a camera. Keep my perm rods in the bag that they came in. I had these for like a year. I ordered these on Amazon, the extra large, and I think it's kind of just this. I got 48 because I have like 60 something locks, so this was another one that I cut. Oh, I had, you see this string? I had a shell in my hair, but I guess it came out. I'll just take the string out. So yeah, so what I do is, I'm not retwisting my scalp because I like when curls, I'm not retwisting my scalp because I like when curls look full. They look fuller with like when your roots aren't retwisted. So yeah, so basically what I do is I take the perm rod and I just do this and I go up. I always do this the wrong way, don't judge me. Like that. Take this little bitty, put it in the hole, and boom. And then I'm gonna do that for the rest of my head. Obviously I have to double up some. I got my new growth. So let me show you guys again. I'm probably gonna speed up everything and then like when I get to the front, show you again. Obviously I cut this one too, it's just like really short. Remember, I'm not retwisting. I just gotta separate because my locks be marrying at the ends and it hurts. So I put that there and then I just slow motion. But I think you guys should copy down below. I think you guys should comment down below like what color you think I should just dye my hair. I'm gonna do it in May, so there's a lot of I can't believe I actually used all 48. That never happened before. So yeah, this is the final one. So after this, a lot of people be air drying, but my locks are like really thick, as you can see. They're not really thick, but they're really thick. And that air drying thing with these dryers is for the birds, okay? It don't work for me, because even if I go under the dryer for a little bit, because I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna halfway go under the dryer And then I'm gonna come out and let it air dry. The rest, no, because by the middle of the night, I mean, these curls out my head because I can't sleep with curlers. So it's 11:20. It took me 50 minutes to do this, which is, it's not that bad. I'm gonna go sit in the dryer and then I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow and show y'all. 3, 2, 1. Yo, I am shook. Let me come closer. Ow, my toe. Yo, this is the best curls my hair ever did, bro. I just want to thank y'all because without y'all, my curls let me popping because I was like, let me thank my thing. And you know, wow, actually like slept with these shits in, with the curlers in, and it's a difference. But like, I like when my curls drop. I don't like them this high, but this is so cute, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more hair content, comment that below. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bells. I'm gonna start doing more videos. I'm gonna do like a series of painting, like restoring paintings I already did. It's gonna be lit. So enjoy your day. Peace, loves, blessings. Thanks for watching. Bye.